Here's a 2018 Porsche Macan. Its muscular, dominant look only hints at the athletic prowess that awaits. This is so much more than a compact SUV. In every way, this is a true sports car. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, heated rear seats, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated bucket seats. There's no substitute for a Porsche. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Leith Porsche, the name you can trust since 1969. For a dealer more passionate about Porsche, you have to go to Germany. We're conveniently located at 750 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.